Sometimes you will have expressions that are algebraic fractions that do not look at all like algebraic fractions. What you need to do is to remember the meaning of a negative exponent. Once you simplify the negative exponent, you will then recognize the algebraic fraction. Let's simplify 2x to the negative 1 plus 3 divided by x to the negative 1 plus y to the negative 1. Remember, a negative exponent tells you take the reciprocal of the base. So this is going to be 2 over x plus 3 divided by 1 over x plus 1 over y. Now it's the algebraic fraction. I proceed now exactly like we did before. Remember, the bar means to divide. It also groups everything above it together and everything below it together. So I have 2 over x plus 3 over 1 divided by 1 over x plus 1 over y. The least common denominator between x and 1 is x. The least common denominator between x and y is y. So I have 2 over x, leave room to multiply by something, plus 3 over 1, leave room to multiply by something. 1 over x, leave room, plus 1 over y, leave room. Notice I've only recopied the problem. I'm just leaving room to multiply. Now what do I need to multiply x by to get x? The answer is 1. So I multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. What do I multiply 1 by to get x? The answer is x. So I multiply both numerator and denominator by x. I said the least common denominator was y here. Actually, the least common denominator is x times y. So the least common denominator is x times y. So what do I need to multiply x by to get my least common denominator of x times y? I need to multiply the x by y. If I multiply denominator by y, then multiply numerator by y. What do I need to multiply y by to get xy? The answer is x. Multiply the denominator by x, then I multiply the numerator by x. So I'm left with 2 plus 3x over x. My common denominator is x, so I'll keep my denominator and add the numerators. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 times x is 3x, so it'll be 2 plus 3x. Divided by, now this is just y and that's just x, so it's going to be y plus x over xy. Keep the denominator. To divide, I invert and multiply, so it would be 2 plus 3x over x times xy over y plus x. I can cancel an x. I'm left with 2 plus 3x times y over y plus x. Now I'm going to give you another exercise dealing with negative exponents. Simplify a to the negative 2, subtract b to the negative 1, divided by ab. Copy the problem, stop the tape, work the problem, restart the tape to check your answer. Look on the screen to check your answer. If you disagree with the answer, be sure to check with someone. This completes tape 116.